4 years ago, I tried to learn how to code, and after wasting so much time on courses, tutorials on YouTube, and trying to learn all the different technologies, I wanted to share with you guys and make this video on the fastest way I would learn how to code and the most efficient way I would do it to save a lot of wasted time. So, my name is Bradley Allen, and I hope you get a lot of value from this video because this is one of those things I wish I had when I was first starting. So let's get into the video. The first thing I would do would be to find out what type of coding I want to do. A lot of the problems that I had was not knowing what I wanted to do with code. I would just search up on Google how to start coding and YouTube how to start coding. But the thing is, there are so many different types of programming and coding things that you need to be specific on what you want to do. So for example, if you wanted to make Minecraft mods, like make sure you know that you want to make Minecraft mods. Or if you want to become a hacker, make sure you want to be a hacker. If you want to start coding to, make websites, these are all types of different coding and programming, and they're all subsets. So knowing what you want to do beforehand is very important and will save you so much time, because if you want to start coding and you like that hacking side of things and you're trying to do websites, your time would be better put use learning Linux and Kali Linux and all the commands and the network type of things. It's more of having that goal and getting to it faster. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. So in this example, in this video, let's take websites. If you wanted to be a web developer, knowing that you want to be a web developer will save you so much time. You wouldn't have to waste your time learning C++ or Java. You would just go to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and eventually making full websites. Having a goal and what type of program you want to do is so important. And once you have this, you go into Google, you go into YouTube, and you find out what technologies are needed to achieve that goal of coding, of programming. Coding is a tool. Coding is a tool to get something done. And once you have this in your brain, and in your mind, in the back of your mind when you're learning and trying to figure out what you want to do and improve your skills of coding, it will save you so much time. So guys, that's the first thing. Second thing I would do is take that thing that you want to do, whatever it was, Minecraft mods, websites, or whatever, okay? Then go beeline it straight to that goal to learn what is needed to become that guy or that girl. This means if you want to make websites, search on Google what technologies are used for websites, what technologies are used for hacking, what technologies are used for, X. Okay, now this will let you know what you need to know, and then you can go on YouTube and use coding tutorials and Google tutorials, okay? The thing with YouTube tutorials and coding tutorials is that it's a good thing and a bad thing all at once, and you need to be wary of this when using tutorials to get something done or learn. Okay, a lot of tutorials would teach you how to watch somebody else code and not teach you how to code. Watching somebody else code and program is not the same as doing it yourself. So what I suggest to save time when coding, have the YouTube video going and do it yourself on the side. Have that project set up on the side and do it with them. Okay, this will let you learn with somebody and rather than watching somebody. This is very crucial. It will save you so much time and you won't get into what they call the tutorial loop. Make sure you're doing while watching. Now, the third thing I would do after watching the tutorials and stuff, stick to one type of technology and learn it. Okay, the fastest way to learn to code is to stick with one thing and learn it. Because if you're flopping around, okay, I'm learning HTML and CSS, but I think tomorrow I'm going to learn C++. It doesn't work like that. HTML and CSS and JavaScript, they're so in-depth tools. You can learn so much. The fastest way to learn is to pick something and really understand it and keep building, because that will make you improve and help you learn to code in a more efficient way rather than being, like yo-yo diets. Instead of going here, it's just focus on one thing and learn it. The fourth thing is projects. Make sure when you are learning something, you are building something with it. For example, if you want to learn web development, I would learn your HTML. Right after you learn something in HTML, go and build something right then and there. Okay, if you just found out hello world with Java or C++, pull up a Java and C++ file, figure out how to run hello world and run it in your system and in your console, and because that will teach you so many skills that you need to know to build upon. The projects is where it solidifies what you have learned. It's like homework in school. They teach it to you and you got to go home and do homework. That's the same concept here, except you're learning it by yourself. You learn, oh, okay, this. Pull up your laptop, pull up your computer, start doing that thing that you just learned. You know, it will help you actually learn how to do it. After doing these steps, you will become a coder. You will learn how to code, okay? Depending on where you want to go. Now, I'm going to give a few examples. The fastest way to learn how to be a web developer, I'm just going to point it out blank. It'd be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then any frameworks after that, and you'll be a coder, okay? For Minecraft mods, go to Java, learn the fundamentals of Java, you know, arrays, variables, for loops, learn that thing, and start making Minecraft mods. Do whatever type of Java applications that they have, or whatever. You will learn that on your side, okay? You will learn that. Then, say if you want to be like a hacker and do CTFs and all that, go to Linux, learn how to do the command line, get virtual boxes, learn how to do overthewire.com, practice it, actually do this stuff, set it up yourself, watch the videos, do it yourself, watch, you know, take what you learned from the videos, do it on your own system. This will improve and let you become a coder in the most efficient way, in the fastest way. Because just watching videos and just searching up how to code fast and how to become a fast, it's not going to help you. It's actually doing the thing that you want to do that will make you learn the fastest way and the most efficient way. So guys, I wanted to share this with you because when I was younger trying to learn how to code, I watched these videos on how to code and they would give me like 5 tips if you want to become faster coder, or learn these 4 technologies to code fast and get a job. But the thing is, you need to know where you need to go at first, at the end, okay? Find out where you want to go and find out the steps needed to achieve that place or that type of where you want to go. This is the fastest way. Okay, there's no really easy step. Learning HTML by itself takes time. You have to sit there and understand it, and that depends on who you are and how much time you want to spend. Knowing what's the next step will save you so much more time than just learning one thing and thinking like, okay, I'm going to go learn something else today. No, having a plan will save you so much time. It literally is the fastest way. Having a plan, one step by step by step by step. So guys, I just wanted to share this video with y'all guys because this is one of those things I wish I had. Like the video if you learned something new, if you got some value out of it. Comment down below some tips that you know that helped you along your coding journey, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.